So for this video, the idea was, what if I made a bizarre Crackables tier list? So like here it is.
Most crackable JoJo character tier list. Let us begin. So, you see that tongue, right? I think that's an A tier crack, because look at him, he's freaky. Akira, he will electrocute your shit. You can't do this. Alessi, S tier. Not even a question. Alternate Diego. Okay, so theoretically, right, he could just time stop your shit and you can crack him. So like same thing with DL, but DL would be different. Also, he's more of like a twink, so he's definitely more crackable. So I'm gonna go with B tier. Nobody remembers what Andre Boom Boom did. Like this dude's just not important, man. Let's put him at C tier though, because I think it's kind of cool. Water, it will go in the tip. Okay. Need I say anything more? It's like B tier. You can like it. This is just Anna's way from an alternate universe. Like S tier, obviously. That that's a 13-year-old. Yes. Okay, it's like a buff furry, and I know some people like furries. This dude did literally nothing. Why is he even here? That's a dog. What did Axelrod do again? I forgot. But he's kind of crackable. Chat. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go C from 1 to 7. A. She not even all that. That Lisa is is she even on the list, or is just the baby version? Like, oh, we have a long list, but it doesn't matter. I'll say yeah, because he's bad on the adult form. All the boom booms are going in C tier. Blackmore, he will go inside. Like if you bust a nut, he will like transfigure in it. S tier. Boingo's a child. Bruford's a corpse. Bruno is a yes. He's already having twins. That's a rat. Caesar. B tier. He's gonna put soap all over my shit and it's gonna hurt. Chaka. He's gonna cut it off like Anubis. The only difference, I say Anubis in S tier, so it's only fair. Cameo's chopped. Immediate A tier. Disco, because I'm not spelling that. Look at him. He's so C tier. This dude. Yes, we need him. It will fall off, dude. It's gonna like shrivel up and fall off. That's a turtle. Dan G, obviously. Steely Dan is an A tier. DRB, S tier. Danny's a dog. Dario Brando, S tier. Devo. The dog's gonna cut it off, but maybe if he uses it correctly. Diavolo, I think Diablo's an A tier because he can just time skip your shit for real. Diego Brando should go on the same tier as alternate Diego because like he can just dynasty. Diego's mother is definitely crackable. I mean, she like burnt her hand, but like Dio Brando. Okay, you know what? He's a vampire. He's gay, right? So he probably knows how to do it. But this is before pre-bisexual vampire. Ours, part 6 DO. He's mid. Part 3 DO is an S tier though. Nobody Dyer is like the most Inconspicuous character. I don't know if I'm using that word correctly. Versus, on the other hand. Yeah, you see, guys? Mm, yeah. Donovan. This is interesting question. I think C tier is a solid choice. Doobie, am I reading that correctly? Oh yeah, the dude from the snake guy. Like he has a bunch of snakes. A tier. That's a dude. That's Dr. Ferdinand. The 11 men. There's 11 of them. Imagine what the 11 men could do to you, bro. That's George Joestar. Thought it. Hell nah. That's a dude. That's a child. That he can go fast. Bro, the gums, bro. She don't got teeth. Erina Pendleton is a solid B tier. Gia was on some shit. Hermes, she will make it smack together and my balls will rupture. Hell no. You see, now we're talking. FF2. That's a monkey. S tier. D tier. He will like spawn a second of me. It's gonna like turn my nuts into nothing. It's gonna explode, but I'd fuck with it. So A tier. George Joestar the first. This is Jonathan's dad, right? He's an unk. He doesn't get it. No, wait. Why is there two of them? Am I? This is probably some alternate universe thing I'm forgetting, but both George Joestars are going there. George Joestar the second is a solid C, and he's gonna freeze it off. But you know what, Geronio? Infinite goon. Could you imagine? I'm good, twin. Erina. Okay, wait. Old Erina, S tier. That's the fly guy. He's gonna put it in, and I don't like that. Why did I Gregorio Zeppeli? Why did that happen? He's gonna spin it. I'm gonna put Gyro in the same place. What did this dude even do? B tier. He will. I'm gonna get shot up, dog. Gwes, S tier. Pretty solid names, honestly. And Gyro. He will spin it better than his dad because he was in the battlefield, you know? Ayato. Oh, these the whole horse, bro. Holy Cujo. Yes. Hot pants. Obviously. Oh, what kind of person would I be? That's Iggy, dude. What was all the dogs, bro? This dude. Maybe. The dark blue moon guy needed more, so he's going in maybe. Irene, Crackable. Jay Gill of $20 was offered. Jack the Ripper is mid. Going speedy. Okay, both Seal Cherry at Requiem will just wake up to getting it cracked, so maybe. Regular Ponaref. Sounding is not my thing. Mid. That's Jesus. Why would I put him on the list? How do I add another tier? I'm just not adding Jesus. Jean Gali A. Didn't have to do with the sniper rifle. Have you seen Johnny? He's caked up. Same with Jolene, but let's put him next to knockoff Jolene. Jonathan. I'm not a vampire, so maybe. Joseph, immediate S tier. Old Joseph or older Joseph is maybe. Young Joseph is S tier, and I'm taking out this Joseph to put him next to older Joseph. I don't like Josuke. That he's cool. He's one of my favorite parts, but I don't like him like that. This is part 5 Kuja. Let me just move all the Kujos in mid. Show is dead. That's a corpse. That's a child. What did Kenny G even do again? This is the dude from part 3, I'm pretty sure. Nah. Nope. Koichi's mom, if $20 is offered. Koichi, if $20 is offered. Koichi again, if $20 was offered. See the boom boom lady. We're putting all the boom booms here. Where? Here. Oh yeah, this guy. He can just gravitational my shit for real. Maybe. Akira. Didn't we already rank this dude? Why is he here? I know he's the first in some list, but you know what? I'm putting him there. Abacchio, I don't know, but he can rewind and do it again. Lisa, okay, let's take out Elizabeth then. Oh yeah, no. $20. $20. Leaky Eye Luca. Maybe. Lucy Steele is mid. Where do I even put her? 20th Century Boy. If $20 was offered. Ooh, oh, is this the girl that Polnareff was with? Maybe, because she gets turned into like a fetus. Hell no. No, that's a kid. Obviously, dude. Mario Zeppeli. No. Mark. Maybe. Zucchero. Mid. Who's this? Genuinely, oh, is this Jonathan's mom? I remember. I think I'm alright on that one. This dude, I remember this dude. Messy over here. Let's put him in S crackable tier. Midler. Bro, have you seen her sprites, bro? Oh, this dude. I don't like him. A lot of these end up in the sounding category. Oh, yeah, the Agarthan dude. Obviously, bro. You think I'm stupid? Hmm. Mid. Still have a lot to go. What? $20. See, why does everything end up going inside the wiener hole? But obviously he's S tier because he's different. Miss Robinson, good gang. Mohammed Abdul, yes, I am. Crackable. He's a femboy, but he was abused. He's like, and I just put him next to Anarchus because they're the same, basically the same guy. So that again, you could stick the cane in the wiener hole. No, hell no. Nicholas Joestar got offed by a rat. Nijimure's father, Crackable. Kakyoin, Crackable. Norisuke is like 55. And then this dude a vampire, if $20 was offered. Oingo. You can make his face like anybody. So because he's still be like a dude. He will erase it. He's gonna be stupid and erase it. No comment. And I don't like this dude. He's just. What does that say? I can't even read that or tell what it is. Fugo. I'm going to inhale it and I'm going to like it. Hurricalo, the janitor guy. Maybe. Poochie's sister. Of course. It's a bird. He's built like a carrot. He's gonna be like lucky and get like a critical hit on my nutsack and I'm gonna like it. No. Yes. As in mid. Hell nah. Pork pie hat kid is a kid. This duel is gonna make me turn into like a 50-year-old DILF, bro. $20 offered. This is Okiyasu's, bro. I don't want to deal with that. This dude's gonna, again, it's gonna stick it in and not the butt. See, this is different. See, $20. He's gonna like reverse it, do it again, reverse it, do it again. He's gonna break his back. So maybe. He's gonna like turn the iron in my nuts into like nothingness. I'm gonna like fall. So that's mid, obviously. Oh, that's not even the ping. Josuke's grandpa. He's a grandpa. Young Speedwagon. Let's put him next to Speedwagon. Rohan is a Rockies dude girl, bro. This dude sucks ass. I hate this dude. Roses. Unk. Give it to me. Again, he's gonna eat it off. $20. Stroheim. Clanker Wiener. Maybe. Whatever this guy's name is. Sale. Put him in not in a million years just cuz. Taylor Mensu. Sandman. See, he has the endurance. But he's mid because he's like I hate. She's a predator, bro. Gotta be. What am I feeling like, huh? Maybe. Zeko. That's Chocolata's girl. I'm not on that. Pornera's sister. $20. $20. It's gonna be Kosaku's wife. No, that's obviously a crackable. That's a baby. Again, that's smoky. There is a lot of uncrackables. Their Sports Max is just not a good person. Squallow's also gay. Strizo's a vampire. So that's a consistent streak. Steven Steele. I forgot where I put him, but it counts. I was gonna say it's gonna pay. Strizo. Amazing work, my friend. Sugar Mountain. $20. Susie Q, hell no. Young Susie Q. Maybe. I'm good, bro. That's a cat. Carcass is also a corpse. Yeah, this dude. Tattoo. Maybe. Another DRB. He's not as good as Daniel DRB, so you know. Nope. Green Baby. Crackable. Thunder McQueen, like Lightning McQueen. So no, I get out of here. This dude's also gay. Dude. Where'd I put her? No, they can't do this to me. Where'd I put her? Can't just, you know what? Let's go. I'm stupid. Kind of idiot would I be if I didn't put her at the tip? Tonio can cook food, but he can't do that. Dude's 50. It's on another layer. Gotta extend this thing, dude. How do I make this longer? I don't like this dude anyway, so. On this dude, too. Trish, on the other hand. Maybe. Think about it. Ungalo is absolutely chopped, but his stand gives him the opportunity to make him mid. Doppio should go in the same tier as Diavolo. They're just the same dude, basically. That's Dio's guy. This dude is dying. Wamu. No, if 20 bucks is offered. That dude's ugly. Weather report? Maybe. Weka Pippo. No, he's gonna like make me lose half my vision. Zeppeli's mid. Whoever this dude is, I cannot read that well. It says Will's father is going mid. William Wilson Phillips. Who even is this dude? I don't even remember some of these characters. Wired back from part 2. This dude looks like Joseph. He's mid, obviously, though. Kira's dad is ugly. Kira's gonna blow it off mid. Hair job. Not cause listen. Yeah. I don't like. He's gonna drain my nutrients. And now for the final. Crackable. Alright, if you like this video, you better subscribe. You're gonna like it. This is the best tier list in the history of JoJo's.